Hi guys, it's Coach Tony Morgan again, and today's video is going to be a Worcester 28 SI Mk1. It's also known as the British Gas C1, and the problem is what you can see is that red light flashing there. So that's a problem. Customers call us out and we're going to investigate to see what that problem is. Also in this video I've got my student Mark with me, so he's going to help me with this video. So Mark, if you have a look at the boiler and you can see that flashing light there.
Yeah.
So there's a couple of problems that could be. It could be either the fan unit, or it could be the air pressure switch, or it could be no power going to the fan. So we're going to investigate what that is, and then we'll let our viewers see. So we're going to discuss about removing the case. It's quite simple on this boiler. What you've got at the top of it here, you've got a screw which is currently missing right there. Remove that screw and then the whole thing just lifts off in one go. So on this boiler now, basically to get the combustion cover off, you've got these two screws at the bottom and two at the top, and then once you do that, then this cover just pulls forward and then we can get inside to the fan unit. So that should just pull forward. Just get by the bottom as well. So level it up a bit. Just catching on the side. Just try. That's it. We're going to now test the fan. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the leads off. Take the leads off the fan here, and then we'll put these leads into our multimeter directly and then see if we're getting voltage up the leads. That's the best way to do it rather than try and do it here. It's a bit tricky. So we'll put our multimeter on. Then I'm going to turn the power on. It's on at the boiler, but I've just turned it off here. I'm going to turn it on now. So looking at our multimeter, you can see getting the full voltage, so it is the fan. They're the leads sort of connected to, as you can see. Stuck them in there, so it's getting a direct feed straight to the multimeter. So it is the fan what is the problem. So that's our diagnostic on how to test that fault. Now the problem is with this boiler, because of its age, that part is now obsolete, so you can't buy it as a part from your supplier because they won't stock it unless some people got it on the shelf. But other than that, this fan is obsolete. There's some things which you can still get hold of, but it's quite small. Obviously you can get the pump. You can currently get the main heat exchanger, that's available, and some other parts, but other than that, that's it. I think you can get the main PCB as well. But that's going to be the end of our diagnostic video on this boiler. So if you want to find more about repairing boilers, you could click on the link below and subscribe to my channel. Well, it's not even a channel, it's my new course what I brought out, Mastering Boiler Repair, so you can find more about that and subscribe to that. So that's going to be it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.